How to pay for your order on Alibaba. Placing an order is one thing, but paying for it can feel confusing. This guide shows you how to pay for your order on Alibaba app so you can get your products delivered. After you place an order, you'll be taken to a payment page. Here you'll see a list of all the payment methods you can use. You can also find your order in the My Alibaba section of the app and tap Pay Now to get to this page. Alibaba supports many payment methods like credit card, online transfer, Apple Pay, etc. The most important thing to look for is trade assurance. This is a free service from Alibaba that protects your payment. If there is a problem with your order, Alibaba will help you get your money back. We highly recommend using a payment method with trade assurance for every order. Once you've chosen a payment method, enter your payment details and tap on Pay Now. Your payment will be processed and the supplier will be notified that you paid for your order. They can then start preparing your order for shipping. Once your order has been paid for, you can track it in the My Alibaba section of the app. You've successfully paid for your order. Now you just have to wait for your products to arrive. Like and subscribe for more business tutorials.